Hello friends, in this video we will review SBI Blue Chip Fund Direct Plan. This is one of the best equity large cap mutual fund. Blue chip is another word which indicates large cap fund. Before we go ahead with this video, let us first understand some basic information about SBI Mutual Fund AMC. This AMC has got more than 100 varieties of mutual fund offering, out of which 35 were equity funds, 70 were debt funds, and it has more than 14 hybrid schemes. The contact information including the mobile and email is something that you can see here, and the total asset under the management of this AMC is around 6,34,129 crore rupees as on March 2024. Let us first understand some basic information about SBI Blue Chip Fund Direct Plan. The benchmark which it is tracking is going to be BSE 100 India Total Return Index. It indicates that this mutual fund is going to focus on investing the top 100 companies of Indian market. The expense ratio associated with this mutual fund is 0.87, which is little bit higher comparing to its category average. The category average is around 0.86 percentage. If you want to get invested in this mutual fund in lump sum method, the minimum investment amount that you need to have is going to be 5,000. In case you want to start with SIP mode, then you have to start your investment with minimum 1,000 rupees. There is no lock-in period associated with this fund like ELSS fund. The total asset under this particular fund is going to be 44,819 crore rupees as on March 2024. This mutual fund was launched in the market January 1st, 2013. It is in the existence of more than 10 years. The exit load associated with this fund is going to be 1% if you try to redeem your investment within 1 year of your starting investment. From the fund rating wise, this fund has got 5 ratings from Morningstar, which clearly indicates that this is one of the top performing and best fund that you can see in the blue chip category. The risk meter associated with this fund is going to be high risk, since most of its fund is going to be allocated to buy direct stocks, so it is going to fall under the category of very high risk. In the next section, we will understand the fund performance in the past. In the last 6 months, it has given the return of 15.12%, which is bit lesser comparing to its category average, which comes around 18.94%. Even in 1 year period of time, this fund has given less percentage of return comparing to its category average. When we navigate to 3 years return, it is the same case. The fund has given return of 17.18%, whereas the category has given around 18.59%. The main objective of this mutual fund is to get invested in top 100 Indian companies in the market and give you the return. Since it is a large cap fund, the return might not be that much comparing to the small cap mutual fund or mid cap mutual funds. In this section, we will understand the detailed portfolio analysis of this SBI Blue Chip Mutual Fund. From the allocation wise, nearly 85.17% has been allocated to buy stocks which are listed under large cap category. Only 11.07% is allocated to buy stocks which are listed under mid cap category. There is no allocation on any small cap stocks. There is nothing invested on the debt instrument, and the total cash which this fund has is around 3.76%. From the industry holding wise, Bank Regional has got the allocation of 19.56%. 10.5% of fund has been allocated in the industry auto manufacturer. Credit Services has got the allocation of 6.69%. From the stock holding wise, HDFC Bank has got maximum allocation, which is around 8.08%. ICICI Bank has got allocation of 7.82%. L&T ITC, Bajaj Finance and Reliance Industries follows. In this section, we will understand how much return this mutual fund has given in the past. For an example, you have started investing in this mutual fund 3 years ago with the monthly SIP of 10,000. It means you have been investing 10,000 rupees every month, then it would have given the return of 18.86%. This is not an absolute return, it is an annual return in percentage, CAGR. So the total invested amount would come around 3,60,000. The investment return that you would have got is around 1,04,850. By combining these two, you will be getting the maturity amount of 4,64,850 rupees. Consider you have done one-time investment which is going to be lump sum of 1 lakh rupees, and you have done this investment 3 years ago. If that is the case, you would have got the return of 17.18%. So the total investment will remain as it is, since it's a one time, it's going to be 1 lakh, and the total return that you would have got out of this fund is going to be 60,900 rupees. By combining these two is what you are going to get as a maturity, which is going to be 1,60,900 rupees, which is around 60% return on your investment of lump sum. In the next section, I will show you some of the alternative funds that you can consider before you choose this SBI Blue Chip Mutual Fund for your investment. This mutual funds have been chosen based on the return that it has given in the last 3 years. Nippon India Large Cap Mutual Fund has given 26.30% in the last 3 years. This is really better comparing to its category average of 17.51%. The second fund that we can suggest is going to be HDFC Top 100 Fund Direct Plan. This has given the return of 22.35% and it has got the 4-star rating from Morningstar. The total fund under this management is around 32,355 crore rupees. So before you choose SBI Blue Chip Mutual Fund, it is strongly recommended that you go through the alternative funds and figure it out which one is going to be better for your investment needs. The main things that you have to consider is expense ratio, and always choose direct mutual fund for your investment for long term, so that you don't need to pay more money as a charges to the AMC. I hope this video would have been really helpful to you. If you like this video, please do subscribe for our channel Financial Techie. I will see you guys in the other video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.